Because the different printing methods vary quite a bit, the 3D printing machines also vary in size and structure. An FDM printer, such as this Ultimaker 3 model, has an open build area that's accessible during the printing process. This helps the heat dissipate during the print by increasing airflow. It also gives the build plate a much larger distance to move downward, which means you can print taller parts. Since FDM is one of the most common printing methods, many companies package their printers in benchtop size models that don't take up a ton of room and can be moved without too much difficulty. However, there are much larger versions of FDM printers available, which can print much larger parts and can print thicker spools of material at a faster rate. One advantage of FDM printers is that multiple spools of material can be printed in the same part. This allows for one type of material to create the main structure of the part, while a second water-soluble material can be printed for the supports and then later dissolved away once the part's finished printing. Or, if you want to use multiple colors in a single part, two different color spools can be used to intermix them in the printing process. An SLA printer, such as this Formlabs 2, has an enclosed area that keeps debris and other foreign objects from entering. Because the resin needs to be consistent in order for the laser to harden the liquid, floating debris or other objects can't be allowed to get mixed in. This could disrupt the printing process or even damage the machine. The contained space is temperature regulated, so having a closed build area is not an issue for SLA printers. This printer type is also incredibly common in the market and is packaged as a small benchtop model that can be moved around if needed. However, there are also much larger SLA printers that can produce incredibly high-quality parts that are fairly large scale. The other printing methods, such as SLS and SLM, typically are housed in much larger printers because the processes are more complex and require more parts. One advantage of using these larger, more sophisticated machines is that you can print some of the highest quality parts, eliminating the need for other manufacturing methods. They also can handle materials other than plastic, such as an SLM printer creating metal parts. These machines come at a much higher price point and are typically used by companies that offer 3D printing services. With these different printers available on the market today, your designs can be made real in your own home in just a matter of hours. Imagine how this technology will continue to evolve and make some of the most complex products available at your fingertips.